Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling pinned post notifications in X. Pinned posts can provide valuable information and updates from your favorite communities. If you want to stay notified about these important posts, we'll show you how to enable the notifications. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to launch the app and ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Look for the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. Give it a tap to access the community section. Step 3. There are two ways to find the community you want to enable pinned post notifications for. You can either tap on the wanted community icon or use the search icon to search for it. Step 4. Once you're in the community, locate the bell icon. Give it a tap to access the notification settings. Step 5. Within the notification settings, you'll find an option labeled Pinned Posts. Enable this option by toggling it on or checking the box. Once done, tap on Save to apply the changes. By enabling pinned post notifications in X, you can stay informed about important announcements and updates from your favorite communities. This way you won't miss out on any valuable content shared through pinned posts. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to enable pinned post notifications in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.